Hey everyone, my name is Marlene and today I'm going to be trying out Biologe's new color depositing conditioners, Color Balms. First, I'm going to wash my curls with Color Lash shampoo and then towel dry. Next, I'm going to change it to some dark clothing and apply my gloves to spread the Color Balm conditioner evenly through my hair using my fingers and comb. These conditioners come in 7 shades, ranging from natural to bold, and today I decided to try Red Poppy since I wanted a bolder look for spring. This color really complements my curls and leaves them feeling super conditioned, plus since this is a vibrant color and I have low porosity hair, it lasts about 4 to 5 washes. Lastly, I rinse, style, and go girl. This is my final look. I now have a fresh from the salon look at home with no damage at all. I highly recommend you check out these new color depositing conditioners for yourself.